In this tutorial, we want to open Google Search Finance and extract World Markets table. Insert the data into Excel. Okay, process is finished, so let's open it. Yeah, as you can see, this file is created, so let's open it. Yeah, okay. So all the files are present. So the first step is to open website. So let's copy the link. Using the Selenium open command, specify the browser name, Chrome, and the URL. We can open this web page and of course click View Add-ons and select the Selenium add-on to be able to use Selenium commands. And now we want to maximize the browser window, so let's use window command, Google, style maximize, style maximize. And now we want to open Excel. So make sure to enable add-on XLSX from the View, Add-ons, and Add-ons panel. And XLSX is here. Specify the correct path into the path variable. So let's use the environment special variable, user profile, desktop automation examples without the enter at the end. And of course we can't forget to add a C# snippet, because we want to create a directory if it is not created yet. So system IO directory, create directory, path, XLSX open, path, world markets table.xlsx. This is how this file will be named after we create it. So we have to use creative not exist argument and specify its value to true. Okay, now we want to create a for loop which will iterate through all 5 records. So for I variable from 1 to 5 and 4. Now we want to get all World Markets table values and insert them into Excel. So right click some value and choose inspect element. Now right click it, copy, and now we copy the Okay, maybe let's start from the beginning. So here, right click it, copy XPath, and now we want to use Selenium get text, insert it, and right away we want to use XLSX set value, and and we want to set the result to row I and call index 1. Again, we want to use Selenium get text. Of course, don't forget to add by XPath and search at the beginning. So search and the next XPath, which is this one. Copy XPath and insert it here. Now again by XPath and copy, paste it here and call index 2. Now we want to get the XPath of that. So copy XPath, and again Selenium get text search by XPath, and again Selenium set value to the third column. And now finally we want to get that information, maybe this one, copy XPath. So Selenium get text search, paste it here and by XPath. Again set value, call index 4, and the last value, this one, copy XPath. Oh, sorry, not this giant. Selenium get text search, yeah, and row I, call index, not here, by XPath, and copy this line. Alright, these are all the values, and as you can see, some of the things are actually the same. So this is what is the same, you see, and it is even highlighted by giant because it's the same. So what we can do to have less code, you can use base XPath variable and cut it and paste it here. Right, so instead of this we have base XPath. Okay, instead of this we have base XPath. Instead of this we have base XPath, and instead of this we have base XPath. Okay, now there are less letters, less number of letters, and we can see that this should be replaced by I. So here everything is the same, but here the index should be I. because each record is, has different index. Okay, so now we want to close the Excel and close the Selenium. So let's close the Chrome instance and see if the file is created. And also, let's see if there's any file called World Markets Table. No, this is Giant, this is a script, and there is no Excel. So let's press F9. Timeout occurred while waiting for an element. Search phrase div by XPath. Okay. Search. Okay, here should be by XPath. So we forgot about this. Sorry. Let's press F9 to launch the script and check this again. Okay, process is finished, so let's open it. Yeah, as you can see, this file is created, so let's open it. Yeah, okay. So all the files are present and extracted. So that's it for this tutorial.